Now I'm gonna see the Facebook friends extractor here. Friend email extractor, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to look for one of my friends. Okay. I can also upload a CSV file with all the UIDs of my friends. But first of all, I'm gonna take one of my friends. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna home. I'm gonna look for one of my friends, which is Alex Jeffries. Okay. Find Facebook ID. I'm gonna type this. I have his ID here. Okay, I'm gonna close this. And then here I'm gonna type exactly this one. I'm gonna click on extract. Just wait. Okay. So, and at the end I have the list of friends here, as you can see here. Okay, with the user ID, email, telephone number, and so on. Okay, just I find my Facebook ID here, put in the name of one of my friends, and get the ID. Okay, put it, paste it here, or even put it into a CSV file in columns, and then click on extract, and I get this. So as simple as that, I have the list of friends with their email addresses.